Okay, so I bought the salad cup. Just washed it. It's like, looks alright. I'm going to try demoing it out using Mediterranean Crunch. It comes with its own salad, but I went and played at Costco and got this kiwi sesame roasted, deep roasted. Says it's good, so I wanted to try it. Also, going to toss in a little bit of this ranch. People were telling me, got to get this. It's at Costco. This will take me a lifetime to go through, but hey, why not sprinkle a little? Save it, live a little. Yeah, I like mixing flavors, so I'm a flavor junkie. Start using my Amazon Basic gadget guy so I can actually do some accurate measurements. Power it on. Put my cup on. Cup's 49 grams. Yay. Hit tire function to zero it out. We're now at zero. And gonna drop in some salad. Salad comes with breadsticks, with cheese, and its own toppings, which is interesting because, I'm trying to be healthy. I don't know if I want the cheese and other stuff. So I'm going to sit here and add in some salad. Nice thing about this salad is it's nicely chopped up, ready to go. That's about 45 grams. I'm like, okay, this is good. This is good. I'm going to do about a half cup of this size cup, which is about 60 grams of salad. Sounds good. To me is yum. Let's drop that off. Clear that. Now I'm going to put some salad dressing in there, and just for grins, I'm going to use the little salad dressing cup that it comes with. Once again, I'm going to hit the magic tire function, zero that out. And that's at zero. I'm going to add probably a tablespoon, I would think. Let's switch my units. Milliliters, which is about 15 milliliters, give or take. If I can open this, just to give or take. Shake it up. Shake it up. Serving size 31 grams, 2 tablespoons. 140 calories per serving. So let's switch this back to grams since it said grams. This thing says milliliters. Okay. Why is it in grams? I don't know. All right. Using these gloves, getting in my way. Holy shit. Me like going, okay. There. Ever since my stroke, I've struggled with a lot of stuff, especially my hamstring. Sucks. Oh well. That's life. Sometimes you just gotta live with it. All right. So we are at 29, 31 grams. Well, 33 grams. Okay, that's good. So now I got my 33 grams. Let's pour it in. Because I need something else to wash. Let's make the magic happen. Put the lid back on. Only goes one way. Lid's on. Hold the lid. Shake the salad violently. Wow, that reduced to nothing, man. They're saying a salad serving was 40 grams. Like, ooh, not an American serving, obviously. There we go. Nice and shook up. Total weight right now is 149 grams. There was 50 grams is basically just a cup. Well, it didn't count the lid, so it's 126 grams. Gotta go in there. I could use the trusty fork it came with. Came with a fork. I'm not that guy. So I'm going to use chopsticks. I bought these chopsticks on Amazon and I have packs of 100. So I always have chopsticks around. Uh, they're not the best type of chopsticks, but I don't have to wash them. So, small benefit. Let's taste. That's good. That's good on its own. That's as one of my favorite chefs growing up. Let's cook it up a notch. Let's see if I can open this without embarrassing myself. Ah, there we go. People are like, put this on everything. I don't know about everything, but I'll add some rent. That's a bit much. All right. That was a bit much. But it's one of the reasons why we have this is so we can put the lid back on and shake it up. And once again, I made no mess, no muss. I reach in, grab some. Wow. Hey, Mikey, you like it? Got 4 of these cups, about $1 a piece. Accidentally ordered 2 sets. So, of course, now I have 8 cups. I shouldn't have said 4. I have 8. Um, I put that as a win. Look at that. I always make a mess tossing salad. Ha! No pun intended. But shaking salad, this works out really good. So I gotta give it thumbs up. The cost, hey, it's plastic. Yeah, it's cheap. It's Temu. I think this is a win. I now have to figure out what I'm going to do with 8 cups. Gifts may be coming your way. Sounds good. Later. Peace.